Welcome, it's your girl Erica with Self Love in a Jar. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be cooking some shrimp penny. I think it's called shrimp pen pasta. So I have my pasta. I have some roasted garlic Alfredo. These come from Aldi's. I'm gonna add a little cream cheese to it. I'm also, here's my shrimp. I was cleaning it. It's already like pre-cooked a little bit. Excuse my voice, y'all. I'm kind of hoarse. So, but yeah, just follow along, chill, sit back and chill and watch as I prepare us dinner for tonight. I have some chopped spinach. I think I'm gonna add it in with the pasta. And I'm also gonna prepare a salad. So I've already got my water boiling. Oh, also we're gonna have some mashed potatoes. So I peeled up a couple of potatoes. They already done. I'm gonna mash them as well. Foods like my eggs. I cook a lot of stuff in butter. And my favorite butter is Earth Balance. I love this butter. I used to be vegan, then I went to vegetarian, then I went pescatarian. Well, pescatarian. I will say though that I don't eat any pork. Me don't eat any pork. I feel better, since I've been off pork. I do eat not turkey bacon. I have eaten it, in certain situations, but I was trying to see if I had it. Trying to see if I had any in here, but oh, I do. So this is the vegan bacon. I'm just letting this stuff melt, but I'm gonna get to cooking. But this is vegan bacon. This is by Morningstar. Y'all, I love this bacon right here. But it's fake. It's my coworker calls it bacon because it's fake. It's not real bacon. She said, "Girl, give me some of that bacon." So yeah. But anywho, so I'm gonna add a little more extra butter in here. I'm gonna cook the shrimp kind of like on two. Also, I have some vegetables in the oven that I'm about to take out. And yeah, so that should be enough pasta. I'm gonna add some more water to it though. So I'm just adding water to my pasta. Sometimes I use hydrant water, sometimes I don't. Today I'm not using it. I think I better use all of this pasta. I have a lot of shrimp, so that'll be okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and set these potatoes to the side, and go ahead and open up my minced garlic. Hope y'all can hear me too. I know, like I said, my voice is pretty. I'm kind of going hoarse. I'm getting hoarse a little bit. But so minced garlic. And like I said, I don't measure, but just for this purposes, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. I may use 2. I love garlic. So, I think it's enough. I only use 1 tablespoon of garlic in here. And y'all, I'm cooking this meal because a little teenage, a mutant ninja teenage turtle back here is hungry. He's hungry. So yeah. So we put in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put these shrimps in here. So first I'm gonna rinse them off because some of them have a tail on it. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take the tail. Like this, I already peeled, but like for these, I'm just gonna squeeze them right on off and do that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So y'all, today I went out. Today went to the store to get this food to cook, of course. And then first I stopped by my mom's. My mom had surgery Friday. I don't touch that. So yeah, she had surgery Friday. She had to have her gallbladder removed. So went over there and cleaned her house for her. And yeah, I hate this when this poop and stuff is in the back of these shrimp. Do y'all clean y'all shrimp out like this? I'm actually gonna tear that part off. So next time I'm gonna show it to y'all. I'll show y'all what it looks like. So I be wanting to dissect and clean it out, and they be hungry. So I don't know if like when y'all look at y'all shrimp like in the backs. So kinda like, hold up. Yeah, y'all see that I just pulled out of there? Like that's poop in the shrimp. So I just break that off and tell y'all didn't tell me these noodles was over here bubbling like this. So really, it doesn't take this long for this rice pasta to boil. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that down. Oh y'all, sorry, and come back to the shrimp. So again, what I was saying is, like when y'all get these shrimp, these frozen shrimp, it's like pull all that out. Yeah, I can't eat that. Done with that. Oh, eat it, Cleety. It was like that's the poop from the shrimp. So, and I know y'all like, girl, if you don't come out, I just can't eat that black part in there. Eh. Okay. I'm gonna saute these in this pan. I was gonna make some salmon, but I ended up changing my mind. Actually, I did. Then when I got home, I decided that I wanted salmon and shrimp, but it didn't turn out that way. So we just gonna eat this. Also, y'all, I ain't gonna really be eating a whole bunch of this because I ain't supposed to be eating this. So yeah, see that? Y'all see that? Look at that. That's what came out this shrimp. Y'all see this? What came out this shrimp? Check your shrimp. Okay, y'all, so now we about to season the shrimp. So I'm going to use this Mrs. Dash. I like the green top. That's the only top that I buy. I do have another one, but I do not use it. So we're going to do Mrs. Dash. And, of course, we're going to use some Old Bay seasoning. So I'm just seasoning up the shrimp. And like I said, it's not a measurement. It's just what I do. And I'm going to put some jerk season on here. Just a little bit, just to kind of spice it. That might be a tablespoon. And then the garlic powder. I only use garlic powder, never garlic salt. And voila. And yeah, so I will let all of this simmer in this butter. Yep, just let that simmer in the butter. Butter, butter, bang, bang. Bada bing, bada bang, bada boom. So let that simmer. Now we're ready to go. The garlic, roasted garlic Alfredo sauce. This is 4 cheese, and the other one was roasted garlic, which I do like to mix them like that. Next, I'm going to put in some whipped cream cheese spread. It just enhances the taste. And that's probably like a half a cup because it wasn't that much left in here. So, yeah. Okay, y'all, we're gonna add this spinach. The rest of it. So, I put some spinach in it and gonna let that cook in with that for now. Let it just simmer and cook slow. I added a little bit of cheese. The cheese that I used is this cheese here. Hold on one second. I will show you all. The cheese that I used is this. It's 100% vegan. It's just like cheese. So that's what I put in, just a little bit of it. Yeah, that's what I did there. And so I've got it on about 4 simmering. I'm about to take them eggs out because they're done. And we have these shrimp. So let these simmer for a few minutes, and then afterwards I'm gonna just dump them into the shrimp Alfredo. Yeah, let them cook. Put the shrimp spinach in there, and then I will make the salad and the dinner be ready. Okay, the shrimp pasta. Yep, with all the butter. That's right. That's how you do that there. And then we let it cook. Yep. While that's simmering, I also had some vegetables in the oven. That's bird's eye. It's the seasoned broccoli and cauliflower. Yep. So I got that. I'll go ahead and turn this front eye back on. This is some earth balance butter too. I'm just gonna use in here, and this is gonna be for the potatoes. I'm not gonna put any cheese or anything in there. I'm just gonna make them regular mashed potatoes. Okay. Cut some butter up. This is all the milk that I have. Go ahead and use just a little bit of this vanilla unsweetened milk, almond milk. And once again, I add some pepper. And nope, I'm not using any salt. I'm gonna use the rest of this because it's not that much. But I will use on my potatoes. This is Dash. This is, even though it says salt free, but that's as close as the salt that we get. smash and mash. Wanting to do Vlogmas, so I believe I'm gonna use this as a Vlogmas, even though I'm some days behind, but I can find some other material to make up the other days. I actually have material, I just haven't uploaded it because I'm still looking for the stuff to how to do it. I'm learning as I go, like for intros and how to make like Vlogmas and you know how to set it up. So that's where I'm at right now. Okay, so these is pretty much mashed up. Turn it up, let that melt. And then I'm just gonna transfer them into the pan. Always just like this. All the stuff is just like I do it, bro. And this butter is okay because it's not bad butter, it's good butter. So I know y'all like, she didn't add all that butter in there. It's healthy butter. Like that, so and y'all. So y'all wanna see what this is looking like. Ooh. Yes. This lettuce up for this salad. Now, my kids don't like tomatoes, so I'm not gonna put any tomatoes in the salad. I just chop that up and leave them tomatoes in that bowl for me. So when I get ready to eat my salad. They don't eat onions, purple onions, so. Y'all, did y'all know that little boy died? Why we about to eat it? Where we about to eat it? We about to eat right here. This one has a soft side, so this can peel a tomato. And then this side has a firm side, so I'm using the firm side. And bring this back together. Chop this cucumber. So. But other than that, everything is ready, y'all. I'm actually doing with the food. Yep. Now I'm going to